What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jamal Foster back at it again with another video. I don't know what that is. Um, so this video is gonna be on US30. As you guys can see, I just actually finished completed this trade, made some profit about 15 minutes ago. So, um, as always, I'm gonna give you my top-down analysis on this trade and why I entered this trade, so you can have a full understanding on how I trade and what I look for in the market. Now, I do have my specific strategy, which is market managed strategy. I never really revealed that on these YouTube videos. If you like to see my strategy, it's very simple. It's so simple that you'd be like, I cannot believe this is a strategy and this is what he's called market banding, right? This is so basic, but that's what trading is about, right? Find something that works for you. And honestly, um, that's what it is. No one should be overcomplicating trading. You should find something that's very simple and basic and be consistent in your rules. The problems that people are not consistent, that's why they fail. It's not the strategy, okay? Because we can both use the same strategy and I'm profitable and you're not, or you're profitable, I'm not. You know what I mean? So it's all about consistency and having a set of rules that you're following, being disciplined, okay? So, but I will not be revealing the market bank strategy. If you like it, please purchase my courses at a low price, and the link will be in the description below. And also, if you would like to join my Signal group, link will also be in the description below. The lowest price out there is extremely low to be a part of my Signal chat. Okay, and in my Signal chat, you're receiving gold, US30, and currency pairs at a few times throughout the week. So as always, and I mentioned this before getting forward, as I mentioned this to on my previous video on gold, I talked about why I have these lines. So I do scalp and intertrade gold and US30. I do not swing those pairs. And because I do that, and this because they're so volatile and I do that, I tend to just mark up supply and demands on the chart. And this is why you see these lines, but they work so beautiful for me. Okay. I treat them as zones, trading from one zone to the next. Okay. Um, Now let's talk about gold. I'm US30, sorry. Let's talk about US30. So first thing, we look at US30. We could see that US30 did, its all-time high was up here, as you see I circled before. Price back pushed down, breaking these lows, but then, pull back up, creating a lower high, right? Because it failed to break the previous high up here. And it also respected the structure as well, as you can see, that's to the left over here. Now, if you did mark up a basic trend line, I'm not going to go too far back, but something like this, or even if a wider trend, whatever, right? You see that price broke out the previous swing low, right? And that, you know, sometimes could be a fake out, but once I see that, that's an indication that, okay, maybe price is looking to start reversing, especially for the fact it hits an all-time high, okay? So price, once I notice price fail to, break the previous start swing low and start creating lower high. The next thing in my head, I start to look at guys is just, okay, where can price, what area is price looking to chase? And I know that even though price pulled down a little bit lower here, I know there's still gap within this area on the smaller time frame, and price is chasing always liquidity. Okay. And the fact that price broke this trend line, I'm looking for price to also downtrend. Okay. So if you go to small time frames such as the 15, you can see right here, yes, this was the low that price I came to, right? You guys see right there. But within there, this entire candle is a pure imbalance candle. So I know price, if not hit my overall target, would at least hit 50% of my trade, which is where I'll secure majority of my profit. Okay. Okay. So the next thing I did, guys, I went to the 5 minute time frame. As you can see, I mark up, I had structure right here. I went to the 5 minute time frame and actually deleted it was more like right here. All right, so I went to the 5 minute time frame, guys. First thing I noticed is that price broke out structure under here. It retest structure fell off imbalance to the upside. It failed to break that area. And then once I saw that, as you guys can see here, we have a little liquidity here, right? Not I don't want to say liquidity, but impulsive move. A lot of people think impulsive move is going this and doing that. But impulsive move is the build up before price actually do that, right? So I see the lot, the buildup. So what I did, I went to the 1 minute time frame, guys. And as went to the 1 minute time frame, right, you see that price had structure here, right? So I waited for price to end up breaking out of what? Structure, and which is also, as you can see, my supply and demand black line. As price broke out that structure, I took the setup, right? It pulled back a little bit, and once again, it respected that same structure that I drew up from the left, right? And price had literally just tanked, smashed the target one, a little bit more. It ended up had pulled back. We had some, volatile move, but as you guys can see, price continued to respect structure twice, right? And once, I noticed that price kept respecting structure, I end up actually re-enter the trade around this level. So I did take some profit here because once again, that imbalance to the left, once price hit 50% off that candle, I like to secure a profit, or not, if not secure profit, minimize my risk by moving stop loss where to entry. Now it's a risk-free trade. Okay. So um price did hit my break even. I did secure some profit, but price did hit my break even. So once I noticed price hit my break even, and it also failed twice now here, I was able to re-enter back somewhere around here. It's a little bit below my initial entry, but somewhere around here, I was able to re-enter, and I was able to take this market all the way down to my official target, guys. And obviously, as you know, once you see price breaking out these lows, and I was able to take even more position here and trade it down to complete my trade. And this is how, guys, I trade US30, right? It's very simple. Trading should not be complicated, guys. You want to look for just a few things, right, to determine your bias. And the first thing is the market trending, right? Is it trending? Okay. Yes or no? If the market is not trending, it's consolidating, you might want to stay out, right? And a market could start potentially trending in a consolidation. And what I mean by that is, so we have a consolidation here. The market could be moving sideways, 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 right? And then all of a sudden it created a higher high in there. It created now a lower high, and then it break out. So you can start seeing a trend within that consolidation, right? There's the market trending. The next thing you want to look for is what direction the market trended in. Is it an uptrend or downtrend? Right? And I was able to identify that from basically looking at this trend here. Keep in mind, I'm only scalping. I don't need to see the overall trend for, I know it's uptrending because it hit the all-time high, but I don't need to see the overall trend for the past week or whatever. I'm just scalping, guys. So it's intraday trade, right? I'm only going for like 1,000 to 2,000 pips. You know what I mean? 100 to 200 points, right? So the direction. After the direction, um, where's price in respect of structure, right? So as you can see, we see that price was here in respect to structure, price respect to structure. And after doing that, then I start looking for liquidity more in the market. Where's an imbalance? Um, is price, when you go in a small time frame, is price giving us higher lows, higher highs, etc. And just simple with that, guys, we take a trade, put our stop loss in, and let the market do its thing. We don't need to overcomplicate trading. Okay. So that was my breakdown on US30 today. Hope you guys received some knowledge from this. And once again, if you guys would like to be a part of my signal group, please click the link below. It's the lowest in the market. Sign up today. Okay. Sign up today. And that will conclude this call. Have a wonderful day.